Good morning, students. I am Prasanth from CPA College, Department of Business Administration. Today, let us see what is profitability index and how to calculate profitability index using Microsoft Excel. Profitability index is a capital budgeting technique used to select and reject a project. So, in previous classes, we have seen what is capital budgeting, what is the significance of capital budgeting, and various other techniques used in capital budgeting. So, profitability index is a discount method where discount rate or cost of capital is taken into consideration. The formula to calculate a profitability index is we should summate all present value of future cash flow of the project, and it should be divided by initial investment. In other words, the cash inlays of the project present value should be calculated and it should be summated, and that summated amount must be divided by the cash outlays. The rule of thumb is if the profitability index is more than 1, we should accept the project. If the profitability index is less than 1, we should reject the project. In this spreadsheet, I have given a problem. So calculate profitability index. Calculation of profitability index. So if to calculate profitability index, what we should do is, as per our formula, we should calculate present value of future cash flows. As you can see in the problem, there are 4 projects: project A, project B, project C, and project D. The initial investment for the projects are 2 lakhs. The estimated cash flow from the project for 5 years are given. So the first step is we should identify or calculate the estimated cash flows present value. To calculate present value of cash flows. So to identify the present value of cash flow, we can use NPV function. So first we should enter the rate, discount rate. So while entering this discount rate, we should be entering only the exact numbers, not the percentage. Exact numbers. As we can see, 10%. The 10% means 10 divided by 100. It is 0.1. And after a comma, we should select the cash flows, cash inflows. Now, what we have got here is the present value of cash flows. Now, let us calculate profitability index. So, as we can see in the formula, we have calculated present value of future cash flows. Now, the present value of future cash flows should be divided by initial investment. So equal to present value of future cash flow divided by initial investment. So it's come 1.01. That means the project is more than, the profitability index is more than 1. So we can accept the project. Meanwhile, if you want to carry the same calculation to project B, project C, and project D, no need to retype the formula, simply we can drag it. From this we can identify that project D has more profitability index, so we can accept project D. That means here we can accept projects B and we can reject project B and C because it is less than 1%. So we can accept project A and accept project B. Reject project B and reject project C. So this means that if the profitability index is more than 1, means the particular project is able to generate return more than the discount rate or cost of capital. Here the discount rate is 10%. So the project A and D are able to generate more than 10% of return. If you want to identify the exact return that the project delivers, we should calculate IRR, internal rate of return. So by this profitability index, it's very simple. We can see whether to accept or reject the project by using a small amount. One is the break even. More than 1 we can accept, less than 1 we reject. It will be easy. So but if you see in net present value, we get in amounts, so it will be somewhat difficult to identify. It will be, but profitability index, it is easy to identify. So in this session we have seen how to calculate profitability index and what is the use of profitability index and how to accept and reject the project based on profitability index. So thank you.